Exercise 43. In a survey, 1,250 people were asked about their opinion on a new policy. The results are summarized in the table below. We have 425 who responded that they support the new policy, 550 they had a neutral opinion, and 275 were opposed to this new policy. If P% of people responded I support, what is the value of P? Okay, we can see that they support, here we had 425 out of 1250. This is the P%. So let's use Desmos for that, or even our calculators. Let me erase the previous. 425 over 1250. This is equal to 0.34%. Yes, 0.34, which means that it should be 34 over 100, which is written as 34%. So P here is 34.